Hi guys, welcome back to another exciting day and another interesting video on Smart Skills Hub YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download videos from Pinterest. So let's get into the video. You found a video on Pinterest that you love and you want to download it into your device. The first thing you're going to do is go into Pinterest and make sure that you already have the link of the video that you love. So let's just go into Pinterest and search for a video that we can use. Let's look for a simple video that we can just use. Okay, so we're gonna use this video. Okay, so you either click on this video or you can just click on this arrow going up here. Okay, so when you click on this arrow, you're going to have several options, such as you want to send the link to WhatsApp, you want to send it to Messenger, Facebook, or X, or you want to copy the link. So what you want to do is you want to copy this link. So you click on it and your link is copied, and you go over to your browser and then type in Pinterest video downloader. Right, so here is it, Pinterest video downloader. I'm going to leave the link in the description. Click on this first link right here, and when it loads up, the next thing you want to do is you want to paste the link that you copied. All right, so just paste the link and then click on download. Please don't forget to give my videos a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and always turn on the notification bell icon to know when I post new videos. There are several ways you can download it, and if you just want to download just the video, you could just download the video alone. And if you want to download the thumbnail of this video, you can actually download the thumbnail of this video. So if you click on download right here, the video is going to download. So this three dot icon here, let me mute this. This three dots here is where you can click on and then you download this video. So let's download this video and see. So right here, your video is downloading. Okay, so we're just going to play this video and see if it's actually downloaded into our device. So just click on it, and here is your video, sitting pretty in your device, either your phone or your laptop. So that is how you download videos from Pinterest. It's very simple, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.